In this session, you will know about the major differences between slash and slash root. There is a big differences between these two things, and this is a very much important question while facing an interview as a fresher, as experienced person in the Linux wise operating systems. Simply, I will give you an explanation about it. Here you will see here the prompt, it's indicating slash only. Clear the screen, CLR SCR, clear screen. Yeah, by hitting the clear you will clear the screen. Now you will observe that root at localhost, and the symbol it's indicating hash, that slash is /, and the prompt is hash. In the sense, we are already logged in by using the root credentials only. And now I hit ls, and having a directory listing here, bin, dev, home, and lib, mnt, and proc, run, srv. These all the things, simply you will observe that I am trying to zooming out, control plus plus. Yes, is it visible? Right. Bin, dev, home 64, lib of 64, and mnt, proc, run, srv, sbin, and these are the folders of the complete system-wide accessing folders. The directories with what we are seeing here. This is the root directory accessing. The root user will have a direct access to this, all the folders and configuration files will have. Likewise, mnt, we have taken any permanent mnt mounting and temporary mounting, and devices connected to the system will be taken care using the mnt folder configuration files. Okay, and boot, which is the required to, if any occurrences and corrections, modifications or happens with the booting devices, the root user will be taken care such activities. Hence, these all are having a root privileges, like as a super user privileges directories, also we can call it as. This is the root user is having functionalities, whereas likewise the root user is also having / that root. Now you will see the directory structure here. Likewise, the normal user, what he is having, the folder of documents and desktop, downloads, music. Likewise, normal user, what he is having in desktop items. Here also root user also having his own desktop items here. This is the major difference between slash and slash root. The slash root indicates root user's home directory, likewise the home directory, the desktop activity icons and all. Whereas the slash, that is a root device user, will have a system-wide directories to do some configurations and all the facilities. The full access, we can call it as. Hope you better understand about it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.